tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby.
Ya, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi di Bus Channel aja ya. Kita berada di Terminal Batoh. Ini ada 2 unit Dom Toretto dan Putra Pelangi non-stop. Ini lagi siap-siap juga. Oke, ini udah jadi pasangan ya. Putra Pelangi non-stop sama Putra Pelangi Dom Toretto. Yuk kita lihat dulu ke arah depannya. Di segi bannya juga disediakan lampu juga ya. Di sini. Ini para peminat, banyak peminat ini Dom Toretto ya, Putra Pelangi. Ini 1 unit Dom Toretto mau berangkat juga ya. Kalau non-stop, Putra Pelangi non-stop depannya agak, karena disediakan lampu warna putih. Di sini ada lampu agak kebanyakan dipakai warna pink ya. Ini drive Dom Toretto. Yip, mantap. Ini para keluarga lagi udah mengantar keluarganya mau naik bus Putra Pelangi Dom Toretto ya. Ya, Dom Toretto sudah keluar 1 unit. Tinggal 1 unit lagi. Ya, sekian dulu videonya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.